I'd like to talk about steaming as an intervention to COVID-19. In addition to using traditional herbs like umhlonyane or the umhlonyane plant, steaming with water supplemented with either Vicks VapoRub or eucalyptus or gum tree leaves has been found to be a useful remedy both in the prevention or cure of COVID-19 in Africa, particularly in poor communities. It is widely known that inhaling steam can help in relieving symptoms of respiratory illnesses such as colds and flus. Historically, it has been an effective way to help patients recover from pneumonia before the antibiotics were in abundance. Now, some theorists like Merchant, for instance, refers to steaming as a therapeutic strategy which involves on an early intervention approach. And this approach is called they hit the virus hard before it takes control. Now, when we look at this issue of steaming, it involves using inhaled steam supplemented by essential oils possessing natural antimicrobial properties. An antimicrobial is an agent that kills microorganisms or stops their growth. Inhalation of steam supplemented with antimicrobial essential oils may help attenuate the virus in nasal cavity, nasopharynx, oropharynx, and laryngopharynx. And when you talk about these, when we talk about these, we're talking about what we have, or what I have there on the diagram. So the steam gets in through the nasal and also through the mouth, and it then gets to do what it does best. The oils that need to be used, and when we use these oils, they need to be used in small drops. And it's not, you don't have to mix all the oils. You choose on the particular oil that you want to use, and you can choose from peppermint oil, from clove or bud oil, eucalyptus oil, camphor oil, the oil of thyme, and the cinnamon leaf oil. So this is how it happens. The steam will carry the tiny fumes of the antimicrobial constituents from these essential oils into the respiratory tract, and is likely to improve the efficacy of the steam treatment. This is very similar to taking a medicine through a nebulizer in a clinic. Unlike the nebulizer where a gas is used to inhale the medicine, this technique uses the steam, and the steam supplemented by antimicrobial volatile oils may help providing a local antimicrobial effect within the airways. Now, according to some health practitioners, there is sufficient laboratory evidence in support of the antimicrobial properties of various essential oils. The essential oils have been reported to possess a broad spectrum antimicrobial properties against various pathogenic bacteria, fungi, and viruses, and also drug-resistant organisms. The steam can help to clear the coronavirus by mobilizing the mucus. Moreover, the treatment can also attenuate the virus by a direct steam action. The heat attenuation is a common practice in microbiology and often used in preparing live attenuated vaccines. The attenuated virus or viruses rather are less pathogenic and could give the body the time to produce antibodies and recover naturally. So the steam treatment has a long history of safe human use. It helps in mitigating symptoms and also accelerates the recovery from various respiratory illnesses. The treatment is simple and cheap and can be taken in a household. There are various facial steamers available on the market, face steamers, electric kettles, and even a classic steaming hot water in a bowl can also do the job. Now, given all this information that we have shared or that I've shared, it is clear that the solution to world's most complicated issues like COVID-19 can be so simple that the human mind finds it very difficult to accept. If we support those with mild to moderate COVID-19 symptoms and help them recover at home, we can significantly reduce the disease burden on health systems and free up more space for those who are at higher risk of developing a serious disease. For instance, the elderly, the immunocompromised patients, or those with other pre-existing conditions, or those who are waiting for a treatment for other medical conditions with significant impact on their quality of life. Thank you so very much. That tells you about the importance of steaming. Some of us might have underplayed or maybe looked down upon steaming. Steaming really works. Thank you so very much. Have a wonderful time.